Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can use ChatGPT in Figma. So, without further ado, let's begin. Enter your Figma account and once logged in, click on the project that you want to work on. Once inside your project, you're going to go to the bottom panel and click right here. And then click on Plugins and Widgets. And then we're going to search for ChatGPT. We're going to click on Simple ChatGPT plugin and then click on Run. Wait for a few seconds and just like that, you now have ChatGPT to assist you on your project. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!